If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. If you like chicken and mushroom, then you're definitely going to love today's recipe. That is mushroom chicken 2-in-1. Here you will see that I will use very less spices, very less condiments, yet it comes out to be very delightful. You can enjoy this with rice, with noodles, with spaghetti, or simply bread of choice.
Please note the ingredients needed to make mushroom chicken. List is also given in description below. First of all, take boneless chicken pieces cut into sizes of your liking. Wash them and put them in a bowl. Add in apple cider vinegar or सेब का सिरका and little bit of salt or namak right now. And rub the chicken pieces well with vinegar and salt and let them rest for about 15-20 minutes. And here we have mushrooms which have been cleaned and cut into 2 pieces. And garlic that has been grated. In a pan, heat oil or tel on medium heat and layer the chicken pieces in a single layer. Do not overcrowd as this will not let the chicken cook well, and discard any leftover liquid. So on medium heat only, flip and cook the chicken well. It would release some water. The juices from the chicken would come out. So what do? We will take this liquid and keep them in a bowl. Keep aside. It will be used in cooking later on. Now the chicken is almost cooked. Increase the heat to high. In the chicken juices that we took out from the cooked chicken, add in soy sauce. And here increase the heat and let the chicken pieces get golden like this. When done, remove and keep aside. And in the same pan, add some more oil and the grated garlic or kaddukas kiya hua lasan. Let it get golden in a few seconds and add cut mushroom pieces. And on medium heat, fry and cook the mushroom till they are cooked well. They would release the oil like this. Now add in the cooked chicken pieces also, the soy sauce and chicken stock, and some salt to taste. If you want, add red chili or black pepper powder too. Cover and let it cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. After which, let's check. It looks good. Time to add in Parmesan cheese. That is grated. And mix well. Add in bell peppers, all colors as per your choice and availability.
If you like to have a rich and thicker sauce, feel free to add some heavy cream.
Lastly, cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 more minutes and it is done. This beautiful looking chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy with any bread, any rice, any pasta. Very good for keto dieters too. It's high in protein. Thanks for watching.